What's up, guys, and welcome back. And today I got something exciting, at least to myself and many people. This is the Fujifilm X-T3, the newest model of their X lineup. This is the mirrorless camera, for those that don't know. And there's a lot of talk about it going on. And there's a lot of comparisons going on about this camera versus the high-end cameras from other brands. But in this video, I'm just going to do a quick unboxing for you. And let's dive in and see what's inside the box. Also, guys, I'm going to have a giveaway at the end of the video. So stay tuned for that and see the item I'm giving away. Alright, guys, so let's jump into the box and see what we have inside. Before that, let's actually check the back of the box for more details of what's inside the box. So, to start off, we have the camera itself, the X-T3. We also have the rechargeable battery, the battery charger, the shoulder strap, shoe mount flash, and the interchangeable lens, which is the XF 18 to 55 millimeters f2.8, and a lens hood. It also supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the X-mount series lenses. Now let's jump in the box itself. Alright, so we have a few instruction guides and user manual on how to use this camera. Camera itself, we'll get back to that. Let's check what's inside this box. So this is the lens. So we got the lens hood and then the lens itself. Wow, feels actually really solid and well made. Looks so beautiful. All right, we'll get back to that. We'll get back to the camera. Inside this box, we have the battery charger, universal adapter for different countries, shoulder strap, who knows what this is. Oh yeah, okay, sorry guys. So this is actually the flash shoe mount. It actually comes with a lens. That's, I mean, with the kit, which is pretty nice. And then right here, we have the battery itself. All right, exciting and all, but let's move on to the part that we're all here for. And that's the camera itself. Biggest reason I chose Fuji over any other camera is because of their retro look. I love the two-tone color. I also love all these dials on it. It makes it so much easier to switch through your different modes and apertures. Now, let's see. So the screen here, it's a 3-axis screen. So it could go up, down, and also to the right. Unfortunately, it cannot go up for those that are trying to blog. So let's go through everything we had in the box again. We got the strap or the shoulder strap, the flash, the lens itself, the lens hood, the battery, the charger, and then the camera itself. Alright guys, so that was an unboxing of everything that came in the box. Hopefully you like this quick unboxing, so now you get at least an idea what's inside the box. Now, like I said before, there's a lot of speculation going on this camera right now. Is it good? How does it compete with other brands like Sony, Canon? Well, I have a friend, Das, or as many of you may know from YouTube, Opinions Matter. Now he has the Canon 80D and the Sony A7-A2, and we're going to put all of these cameras side by side. Now we're going to do a comparison of low light, video, photos, and much more, and see how this camera compares to the other two. So stay tuned. That video is going to be coming up in about a week. I'm going to put a lot of effort in trying to make a perfect comparison review between those cameras, and I'm going to take my time with them so everything is right and accurate, and I'm going to try to make sure that the settings and the lenses we use are on par with each other. Now about the giveaway that I mentioned earlier, I'm hitting my 2 million views soon, and once I hit the 2 million views, I'm gonna upload a video. Now the giveaway I'm doing is my Rilo 360. I did a few videos attaching this 360 camera onto my Mavic 2 Zoom, and yeah, it performs really good, the best stabilization on the market right now, and I'm going to give this camera away. Now the details are going to be in the video when I hit the 2 million. So subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and click the bell icon so you could know when I release that video. It shouldn't be long, probably another week or so. So good luck, and whoever wins this camera, hopefully you'll do a cool video about this and send me a link to it so I could see what you use this camera for. But thank you guys for watching. Like always, I'll see you next time.